A very warm good evening to everyone. This is Pushpa Phonglo and I welcome you all to Koloma Express. Here we bring news updates of local, national and also international. First, the news in the locals. Hindu Samiti's Kachar unit launches email campaign against administration Durga Puja SOP. The Kachar district administration rolled out a set of guidelines for Durga Puja on Friday, while people of Barakweli welcomed district administration effort to ensure security to the general public. Several protocols were deemed to be unrelatable and therefore got criticized by the mass. Hindu Samiti Kachar unit organized an email campaign yesterday protesting against ban on sound system, time restriction, murti kathan and ban on conducting puja in temporary and makeshift puja pandals. Sushmita Dev leaves for Hathras from Delhi, got detained, beaten up by UP police. National President of Mahila Congress and former Member of Parliament Sushmita Dev, along with Rahul Gandhi and other senior Congress leaders, left for Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. The police, when cremated the body without the consent of the family members, have blocked journalists from reaching to the press. Forming human chains, the official tore apart the clothes of the protesters. Lathi charge on elected MPs, including the former Congress President Rahul Gandhi, asserts Sushmita Dev. 2 days back, when we went to meet the parents of the victim, we got detained, beaten up by UP police, but today we won't stop, said Sushmita Dev. CBI probe order in Hathras case by UP CM Yogi Adityanath. UP CM Yogi Adityanath on Saturday ordered CBI probe in alleged murder and gang rape of a Dalit woman in Hathras. The order came a day before CM Yogi said that complete destruction of those who even think of harming mothers and daughters in UP is assured. The victim died in a Delhi hospital on Tuesday. It was suicide, no injuries found on Sushant's body other than hanging, said AIIMS. An All-Indian Institution of Medical Science panel, which is formed to look into the Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, has ruled out murder out of the late actor in its report. It is a case of hanging and death by suicide, said Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who led the panel. The presence of any seductive material was not detected by Bombay FSL and AIIMS toxicology lab. However, the medical board has refused to provide any details as the case is still sub judice. IIT Delhi incubated startup eTex and Cleanstar have partnered to launch an antiviral protection kit. It consists of a novel Cleanstar protection lotion and hand sanitizer, eTex Kavach, antiviral t-shirt and Kavach mask. The t-shirt has been designed using modern technology that inhibits hosting microbes, reduce the likelihood and speeds of contamination by destroying microorganisms on contact. India successfully test-fires new version of nuclear-capable Shaurya missile. India has successfully test-fired a new version of nuclear-capable Shaurya missile off the coast of Odisha. The missile, which can strike target at around 800 km, would be inducted in strategic forces to complement one of the existing missiles in the same class. It reportedly would be lighter and easier to operate as compared to the existing missile. Now the international news. Cargo spacecraft named after Kalpana Chawla launched to space station. A cargo spacecraft named after Kalpana Chawla, the first female astronaut of Indian descent, has been launched to the International Space Station. The spacecraft launched on the Antares rocket from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility of Wallops Island, Virginia. It is carrying nearly 8,000 pounds of scientific investigation, technology demonstration, commercial products, and other cargo, NASA said. Antarctic Peninsula at warmest in last 3 decades, says study. The year 2020 is the most warmest in the Antarctic Peninsula in the past 3 decades. Studies said it added between January to August, temperature reached between 2 to 3 degrees centigrade on the peninsula, which is the northernmost part of the mainland Antarctica. Those temperatures are more than 2 degrees centigrade over typical values, climatologist Royal Cordero said in the statement released by the Chilean Antarctic Institution. Now the news in the sports. Delhi Capital posed 228 by 4 in 20 overs, registered highest ever total against Kolkata Knight Riders by any team. Delhi Capitals on Saturday posted 228 by 4 in 20 overs against Kolkata Knight Riders in Sharjah. This is the highest total by any team against Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL history. The previous high total against KKR was 219 by 4 was registered by Delhi Capitals, then Delhi Daredevils itself in 2018. Shreyas Iyer top score for DC today with an unbeaten 88 of 38 deliveries. That's all for today's news. We come live on our Facebook page on every weekends, that is Kholongma Express. Please like and follow our Facebook page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more news updates. Thank you for watching.